Your car's smart features might be the reason it won't last 100,000 miles. From glitchy electronics to rollaway shifters, some upgrades are silently wrecking your engine, battery, and resale value. Most drivers don't notice until they're stranded. I'm breaking down 21 features that destroy reliability and shorten lifespan. Let's dive in. Feature number 21, Start-Stop Systems. It's marketed as a fuel-saving upgrade, but mechanically it creates repeated cold start conditions. Every time the engine shuts off at a red light, oil pressure drops and the lubrication film on internal components weakens. Then the engine restarts and all the stress hits the starter motor, crankshaft bearings, and the AGM battery again. Over time, this adds thousands of extra start cycles that normal engines weren't originally designed to handle. Some vehicles can log over 100,000 start events in city driving alone. The fuel savings might look good on paper, but a failed starter or battery can wipe out those savings instantly. And once cars rely heavily on electronics like this, the next feature becomes even more critical. Feature number 20, Electronic Gear Shifters. Traditional gear levers had a direct mechanical linkage. When you moved the lever, the transmission physically moved with it. Modern shift-by-wire systems rely on sensors, software, and electronic actuators. That means there's a delay between command and action. And if the system experiences a voltage drop, software bug, or sensor failure, the transmission might not confirm the gear you selected. That's how rollaway incidents happen. Drivers believe the car is in park, but the system hasn't fully engaged it yet. When these systems fail, diagnosing them is far more complicated than fixing a traditional shifter. Feature number 19, Run-Flat Tires. They're designed so you can keep driving after a puncture, but the construction is very different from regular tires. Reinforced sidewalls make them heavier and stiffer, which transfers more vibration into suspension components like control arms and dampers. They also generate more heat and often wear faster. Another issue is repairability. Many tire shops won't repair run flats after damage because the internal structure may already be compromised. So instead of avoiding a tow truck, drivers often end up replacing the tire completely. Feature number 18, Electronic Parking Brakes. These replace a simple cable system with small electric motors mounted inside the brake calipers. The motors communicate with the vehicle's control modules to apply and release the brake. But if battery voltage drops or the actuator fails, the brakes can remain locked. That can overheat rotors, damage pads, and sometimes leave the car stuck in place. What used to be a simple mechanical system now depends entirely on electronics working perfectly. Feature number 17, Cylinder Deactivation. The idea sounds smart, shut down a few cylinders while cruising to save fuel. But inside the engine, that constant switching changes how oil flows and how components wear. Lifters repeatedly collapse and reactivate, which can lead to ticking noises, misfires, and premature valve train wear. Over time, this uneven operation can cause long-term reliability issues, especially in engines that already operate under high thermal stress. Feature number 16, Touchscreen-only climate controls. Removing physical knobs may look modern, but it shifts a basic function into the infotainment system. Now the climate control depends on software, processors, and touch inputs. If the system freezes or glitches, you can lose control of heat, AC, or defrost entirely. It also forces drivers to look away from the road just to adjust temperature or airflow, something that used to take one simple motion. Feature number 15, Dual Clutch Transmissions. Dual clutch systems are built for performance driving where quick gear changes matter, but in daily traffic they behave very differently. At low speeds, the clutches often slip to maintain smooth movement, which generates heat and accelerates wear. Drivers notice jerky movement or hesitation, but internally the clutch packs and mechatronic unit are working harder than expected. When something fails, repairs can be extremely expensive compared to traditional automatic transmissions. Feature number 14, Direct Injection Engines. Direct injection improves fuel efficiency and power by spraying fuel directly into the combustion chamber. The downside is that intake valves no longer get cleaned by fuel. Over time, oil vapors and carbon particles stick to the valves, creating thick buildup that restricts airflow. This leads to rough idle, misfires, and reduced performance. Many engines eventually require walnut blasting or similar procedures to restore proper airflow. Feature number 13, panoramic sunroofs or glass roofs. They look impressive and add a sense of openness to the cabin, but they also introduce complexity. Large glass panels rely on seals, drainage channels, and structural supports. Over time, heat, UV exposure, and vibration can weaken those seals, leading to leaks or rattles. The extra glass also adds weight high on the vehicle, which affects handling and increases heat buildup inside the cabin during hot weather. Feature number 11, keyless entry systems. These systems constantly communicate with the key fob using radio signals. That means the car's receiver never fully shuts down, which can slowly drain the battery if the vehicle sits unused. Security is another issue. Relay devices can capture and extend the key signal, allowing thieves to unlock and start the vehicle without ever touching the actual key. What feels convenient can sometimes become a reliability and security concern. Feature number 10, plastic engine parts. To reduce weight and cost, many manufacturers now use plastic for coolant components, intake manifolds, and housings. While modern polymers are strong, repeated heat cycles eventually weaken them. Over time, they can crack or warp, often without warning. When these parts fail, coolant leaks or overheating can happen very quickly, turning a small component failure into a major engine problem. Feature number 9, air suspension systems. Air suspension provides a smooth ride by replacing metal springs with air-filled bags controlled by compressors and sensors. The issue is that rubber airbags age and develop leaks. Once that happens, the compressor works overtime trying to maintain pressure. Eventually, the compressor fails too, turning a comfort feature into a costly repair. Feature number 8, rain-sensing wipers. These systems use optical sensors to detect moisture on the windshield. In theory, they adjust wiping speed automatically, but in real driving conditions, dirt, glare, or road film can interfere with the sensor. That leads to wipers activating too often or not activating when you actually need them. Feature number 7, driver assist systems. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic braking rely on cameras and radar sensors interpreting the road. When sensors are misaligned, dirty, or blocked, the system may react incorrectly. Fixing these systems often requires recalibration and specialized equipment, which increases repair costs. Feature number 6, low-tension piston rings. These rings reduce friction inside the engine to improve fuel economy numbers. However, they also reduce sealing pressure between the piston and cylinder wall. Over time, this can lead to oil consumption, where oil burns inside the engine without visible leaks. Many engines eventually require walnut blasting or similar procedures to restore proper airflow. Feature number 5, capless fuel fillers. Instead of a traditional gas cap sealing the system, capless designs use internal spring-loaded seals. Dirt or wear can prevent a proper seal, triggering evap system warnings and check engine lights. What used to be a simple replacement part can turn into a larger repair. Feature number 4, ambient lighting systems. Interior lighting systems connect to electronic modules throughout the cabin. When something fails, it's rarely just a bulb replacement. Technicians often need to remove trim panels and access control units, turning a cosmetic feature into a complicated repair. Feature number 3, variable charging systems. Instead of charging the battery constantly, these systems adjust alternator output depending on driving conditions. While it improves efficiency slightly, it can leave batteries undercharged during short trips or cold weather, leading to premature battery wear. Feature number 2, over-the-air system updates. Cars now receive software updates similar to smartphones. These updates can improve features, but if something goes wrong during the update process, it can cause glitches in infotainment systems or even affect vehicle functions that require dealer repairs. Feature number 1, steering wheel controls. Modern steering wheels are packed with buttons, touchpads, and sensors connected through the clock spring. This component rotates every time you turn the wheel, and over time it wears out. When it fails, it can disable multiple features, including audio controls, the horn, or even communication with safety systems.